1 Honda CBR1000RRR Fireblade SP. The Honda CBR1000RRR Fireblade SP is built for one purpose: dominate the racetrack. Its 999cc inline-4 engine is packed with MotoGP-inspired technology, delivering explosive power and razor-sharp throttle response. The aerodynamic bodywork includes integrated winglets for enhanced high-speed stability. Equipped with Öhlins Smart EC suspension and Brembo-style MA brakes, the Fireblade SP is engineered for precise cornering and aggressive braking. Its advanced electronics suite offers riding modes, wheelie control, traction control, and launch control, all adjustable through a 5-inch TFT display. Every inch of the Fireblade screams performance, from its titanium connecting rods to its slipper clutch and quickshifter. The design is sleek and aggressive, embodying Honda's racing heritage. If you're a track enthusiast or a rider chasing the ultimate superbike experience, the Fireblade SP delivers. It's not just fast, it's refined, calculated, and razor-focused on performance. This machine is Honda's answer to the elite superbike class. 2 Yamaha MT-09 SP. The Yamaha MT-09 SP is a powerful, aggressive naked bike built for thrill seekers. At its heart is an 890cc triple-cylinder engine delivering strong torque, thrilling acceleration, and a signature exhaust note. The SP version adds premium features like fully adjustable KYB front suspension, Öhlins rear shock, and cruise control for added versatility. With its lightweight aluminum frame, the MT-09 SP is incredibly agile and quick through corners. The minimalist bodywork, aggressive headlamp design, and brushed aluminum swingarm give it a sharp, street fighter aesthetic. The TFT display, quickshifter, and multiple ride modes ensure it's packed with tech. It excels in urban environments but can handle weekend twisties and longer rides with ease. The MT-09 SP is ideal for riders who want everyday usability mixed with sporty performance. It's Yamaha's definition of power, control, and fun, all wrapped in a muscular, modern package. This bike is bold, loud, and unmistakably MT. 3 Ducati Monster 937. The Ducati Monster 937 brings the legendary Monster lineage into the modern era. With a 937cc Testastretta twin-cylinder engine, it offers thrilling performance, responsive power, and the unmistakable Ducati growl. Weighing just 166 kilograms dry, the Monster is incredibly nimble and beginner-friendly without compromising on excitement. It's equipped with the latest tech: cornering ABS, traction control, launch control, wheelie control, and a colored TFT dash. The styling remains muscular and minimalistic, with exposed components that reflect Ducati's design philosophy. It's perfect for urban commuting, weekend escapes, and spirited rides. The upright ergonomics and wide handlebars make it comfortable for longer journeys too. Ducati replaced the traditional trellis frame with an aluminum front frame for better agility and weight reduction. The Monster 937 is a true, naked bike, light, fun, and raw. It's perfect for those who want Ducati performance in a stripped-down, everyday ride. 4 Suzuki GSX-S 1000. The Suzuki GSX-S 1000 is a potent street fighter that combines raw power with refined control. Featuring a 999cc inline-4 engine derived from the legendary GSX-R 1000, this bike is tuned for strong mid-range torque and real-world usability. Its aggressive styling, sharp lines, and futuristic LED headlamp give it an unmistakable street presence. The GSX-S 1000 includes an updated electronics package with ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and multiple riding modes. The chassis is stiff yet comfortable, and the suspension is sporty enough for twisty roads while being smooth for city rides. Brembo brakes provide excellent stopping power, and the upright riding position makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. The new TFT screen adds a modern touch, enhancing the overall ride experience. It's perfect for riders who want superbike-level power in a more comfortable and naked format. The GSX-S 1000 is Suzuki's answer to the modern performance street bike market. 5 BMW R1250 GS Adventure. The BMW R1250 GS Adventure is the king of adventure touring motorcycles. Known for its unmatched versatility, it's powered by a 1254cc boxer engine with BM's shift cam technology, delivering smooth, torquey performance across all terrains. This beast is built to go anywhere, on-road or off, with features like long travel suspension, tubeless spoked wheels, adjustable seat height, and an enormous 30-liter fuel tank. Its rugged build includes crash bars, handguards, and integrated pannier mounts. Electronic aids such as ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and a 6.5-inch TFT screen ensure it's as smart as it is tough. The R1250 Adventure is favored by long-distance travelers and globe-trotters alike for its comfort, reliability, and go-anywhere attitude. Whether you're crossing continents or climbing mountain passes, this motorcycle has your back. It's not just a bike, it's a traveling companion built for endless exploration. 6. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is a modern classic that blends timeless British design with contemporary performance. Its 1200cc parallel twin engine offers smooth power delivery with loads of torque, perfect for relaxed cruising or spirited weekend rides. Styled after the original Bonneville of the 1950s, the T120 features vintage-inspired elements like pea-shooter exhausts, spoke wheels, and a sculpted fuel tank. But beneath the retro looks lies modern technology: ride-by-wire throttle, cruise control, riding modes, ABS, and traction control are all standard. The comfortable seat, wide handlebars, and upright riding position make it a joy to ride long distances. The T120 isn't just about nostalgia, it's a genuinely capable motorcycle that respects the past while embracing the present. It's ideal for riders who appreciate heritage without sacrificing performance or reliability. The Bonneville T120 is a beautifully crafted machine that proves classics never go out of style. 7. Husqvarna Vitpilen 401. The Husqvarna Vitpilen 401 is a minimalist café racer with futuristic styling and urban agility. Its 373cc single-cylinder engine, shared with the KTM RC390, delivers quick acceleration and nimble handling. What sets the Vitpilen apart is its unique design, a blend of retro and sci-fi, featuring a sculpted fuel tank, round LED headlight, and clip-on handlebars. Despite its small size, it feels premium and refined. The lightweight trellis frame, WP suspension, and by-Brie brakes provide confidence in tight corners and city traffic. It includes modern features like a slipper clutch and Bosch ABS. Perfect for new riders or those looking for a stylish daily commuter, the Vitpilen 401 is as fun to ride as it is to look at. It's not built for top speed, it's built for joy, precision, and standout personality. In a sea of typical bikes, the Vitpilen shines as a modern-day rebel. 8. Moto Guzzi V7 Stone. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone is a classic Italian roadster with soul and substance. With its 853cc air-cooled V-twin engine mounted transversely, it offers a unique character and plenty of low-end torque. The bike's minimalist style, matte finishes, and signature shaft drive make it a standout in the modern retro category. Despite its old-school look, the V7 Stone features ride-by-wire, traction control, dual-channel ABS, and a full LED lighting system. It's comfortable, reliable, and easy to handle, perfect for relaxed weekend cruising or everyday commuting. The upright, ergonomics and plush seat make long rides enjoyable, while the iconic transverse engine ensures you're riding something truly different. Moto Guzzi has infused this bike with 100 years of heritage, and it shows. The V7 Stone is not about racing, it's about riding with style, pride, and a touch of Italian flair. It's charming, soulful, and wonderfully unique.